Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, right after CPI, we got to see downside on the chart of DXY. There was a sharp downside, sharp fall on DXY. DXY made a low of 101.22, and after that we saw immediate recovery also. CPI was worse than expected, as a result of which DXY started showing red candles, but we also got to see immediate recovery. Right now, DXY is standing at 101.51. If you look at the chart of DXY, then you can see that DXY is still trading inside the old range. Things are quite boring with DXY because not showing any disco moves, okay, and very slow chart. Overall, the levels are still very much same. We have 100.80. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, we have 100.80 as the last line of defense or the last support on DXY, and we also have now 101 also as the support for the day traders. So right now we have crucial support around 100.80 and also 101 as the temporary support. So these are the two support levels. So if DXY breaks 100.80, then things will be difficult for DXY, but right now DXY is sleeping, so I don't know what will happen next. And at the top we have 102.40 as the resistance right now. And as we all know, DXY is under the dominance of sellers. There was a sharp fall, and after that DXY is trying to breathe a little. So yes, if DXY tries to recover, this will be the first resistance. And as the market is in downtrend, so obviously there is a multiple layer, okay, there are multiple layers of resistances. So at first, this is the first level DXY will have to cross. So enough about DXY. Let me show you the Forex Tracker. You can see that today we have some news on GBP and US dollar. So be careful during the news. Unlike CPI, there may be some slow movements on the chart, but still you need to be careful because news trading is kind of unpredictable. So be careful, and be careful with your GBP pairs also, because today we have a news on GBP. Now let's talk about Euro USD. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of Euro dollar, and Euro dollar is still respecting the support level that we have been discussing for the last 3-4 days. But this time we can see that the chart is showing some changes, and we can see that market overall, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, we can see a clear uptrend market. But right now we can see that the character of the market is changing. Euro USD is forming lower highs. Okay, Euro US is forming lower highs. So as a result, you need to be careful this time with this support level, the support of 1.0940. And yesterday also I clearly mentioned that as market have been testing the support level too many times, okay, the support has been doing a fine job, but the support has done the job. Okay, so as a result, there is a high chance right now that market will break the support. Not only because market has tested the support too many times, but also we can see that the selling pressure is increasing on the chart, and we can come to the conclusion with the help of the lower highs. Lower highs are very significant. Okay, so this time do not take a buy at support, because there is a high chance of market breaking the support. So what should be your next support? Then your next support to take a buy is around 1.0920 to 1.0910. This is the next level where you will find buyers. If market breaks this particular level here, and observe the market around this area, if market takes support according to our expectation, we can definitely go for a buy position. Instead of 4 hours time frame, we can switch to the hourly time frame, 50 minutes time frame, and just wait for the market to show price rejection from below. If market shows price rejection from below, you will get the confirmation that buyers are present, and you can go for a buy. So this is the only support level in front of us right now. And if market breaks this particular level here, you can look for a quick sell, but it is advisable not to trade like this. It can be a little bit risky because this is a whole support zone. In case price rejects from this portion of the market here, after take a sell position, you may be trapped. So as a result, if market breaks also this level, instead of taking a sell, wait for the market to take support around the next level so that you can buy. And we cannot deny the fact that the present trend of the market is sideways, undoubtedly. But if we look at the overall trend, the overall trend of the market is still bullish. Okay, and if you look at the daily chart, then on the daily chart, you can see that there is no clarity regarding the direction of the market. Okay, we have no information from the daily chart. We can see that market is indecisive. So not much information from the daily chart. And if you look at the weekly chart also, if I remove the drawings here, you can see that on the weekly chart, after breaking the 50 moving average here, okay, market is an indecision. Why you can see? Because you can see that apart from these candles, okay, for the last 3 weeks, market is forming dojis and spinning tops. Dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. Okay, so as a result, okay, so things are a little bit confusing with Euro USD right now. Before we proceed further, I would like to give a big shout out to Vantage, who has sponsored today's video. Vantage FX has been a very reliable name among the traders around the world for more than a decade, and the brand has undergone a rebrand because they wanted to expand their business beyond Forex, and now they are known as Vantage. Those who have been trading, they must know and heard about Vantage, and those who are new to the market, then please stay with me. The spread starts from 0 pips and they provide a leverage of 1000:1. The minimum deposit is only $50 and they do not charge anything as deposit fees. And Vantage is a regulated broker regulated by the VFSC under Section 4 of the Financial Dealers Licensing Act. Vantage Global Prime Proprietary Limited trading under Vantage is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, which is popularly known as the ASIC. And Vantage is also a member of the Financial Commission, an international organization engaged in the resolution of disputes within the financial services industry in the Forex market. So you do not need to worry about the safety of your funds as well. They provide a good variety of accounts where you can trade on 49 currency pairs, 25 indices, 51 ETF, 22 commodities, and 799 share CFDs. They basically have 4 types of accounts you can see here: Pro ECN, Raw ECN, STP, and CEN. If you're a beginner, new trader, then you can go with STP and CEN account. But if you're a hardcore day trader, then you should go with Pro ECN or Raw ECN if you're looking for tight spreads. You get almost all the trusted methods for deposit, and as I said earlier that they do not charge anything or they don't need to pay any fees, and the processing time is also quite decent. In most of the methods you can see that it is instant, and in case of ETFs it can take up to 1 to 2 business days, which is quite normal. In case of withdrawals, they maintain a very transparent page. You can see here that everything is mentioned clearly. If you opt for local transfer, then you can see the maximum limit and the minimum limit per transaction. For Skrill, BitWallet, Perfect Money, there is no limit on withdrawal. Vantage has a big heart too. They give 20% credit bonus. You receive 20% bonus on your first deposit and you receive 10% bonus on the subsequent ones. They also run a demo contest where you stand a chance to win up to 2000 US dollars if you participate on the demo trading contest. As trading platform, apart from having MT4, MT5, they also have Pro Trader, Web Trader, and also have their own Vantage app. If you do not have much time for analysis and research, then you can also use their Vantage copy trading facility as well. They have a wide range of tools for traders. You can see here they have a long list. I like the alarm manager most. They have a long range of tools here. You can check them out later on. The best is if you go to the trading view section, you can see here if you maintain an account balance of $500 or more and if you meet the requirements, you get the paid version of TradingView free of cost. My dear friends, this is all about Vantage. If you're looking for a reliable broker, then undoubtedly Vantage can be the option for you. Bye-bye. And the resistance level is still the same on the chart of Euro USD. The resistance level is 1.1100 or 1.1090. This is the resistance level on the chart of Euro USD, or the reliable resistance. Okay, so in case by next week, I don't think so that market will be heading towards this level. By next week, if market goes, then we can definitely expect that market will face some selling pressure again. Previously, we were discussing about the ascending triangle pattern, but right now the ascending triangle pattern is no longer valid, because you can see the market was forming higher lows, which is not the same right now. So day traders, you can also look for some selling or resistance around 1.1029, 1.1029 or 1.1032. This is also a resistance zone for day traders. Keep in mind, only day traders. Okay, so this is a minor resistance where you can look for some quick selling opportunity. That's it. Otherwise, if you're a positional trader, a swing trader, it is always better to trade on major levels only. So right now, the only major level is this level. Okay, and this is also a major level, but this major level of the market is far away from the current market price. So as a result, no trading opportunity on the chart of Euro USD, because on higher time frame we can clearly see indecision. Okay, so as a result, we should not be greedy much, and we should wait for the right time. Again, I'm repeating that right now market is an indecision, and as market has been forming lower highs and market has been testing the support level many times, high chance of market breaking the support this time. So be careful before taking a buy position at support of 1.0940 level. 1.102932 is a minor weak resistance for day traders. If it shows reversal, then only take a sell. Anyways, my dear friends, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So follow proper risk management.